when you open up the scene file, right now, we have locked the camera so that this is the camera you're going to export out your animation. So there's no way that you can adjust the view. So that's what I want to show people how to do. So what we need to do is we need to get out of the camera view and get into a perspective view. So there's a couple ways you can do that. There's a little menu here called panels. If you click on this, then go perspective, you can see that this is the shot camera that we're looking through right now. And this one would be a perspective view. So if I click on perspective here, then we get out of the camera view. And now we have an unlocked view of our scene. Now, I want everyone to be able to do this, to be able to tumble around their scene. And it involves using your mouse and the Alt button. So there are 3 buttons on your mouse, right? There's left click, middle click, and right click. And if you hold down the Alt button with those buttons, they do different things. So if I hold down the Alt button and use my left mouse button, it will let me tumble the scene. So 3D tumble, right? So I'm just orbiting around, 3D tumble. So that's Alt and the left mouse button, okay? If I switch over to a middle mouse button, then it does a pan. So this is basically a 2-dimensional, right? So it's just sliding stuff up or down, around, right, to sort of navigate. So Alt left does this, Alt middle does the pan. If you hold down Alt and the right button, then it does zoom in and out. Okay, so to navigate around your scene, you get comfortable with holding down Alt and left clicking to tumble, middle clicking to pan, or right clicking to zoom in and out. If your mouse has a scroll wheel, then that also does the zoom. So the scroll wheel, if you just roll that back and forth, that will zoom in and out. Okay. Now, if you zoom too far out, then you can always use this tool here, the select tool. Keyboard shortcut is Q. And you can just select something and then hit F. And F means frame, right? So if you use F, that will frame your selection. Okay.